A beginner's guide to NBA Top Shot NFTs. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be going over NBA Top Shot NFTs and basically giving you a brief overview of their website and what other features that they offer. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to nbatopshot.com. Now this is their website. Now, as you can see, it's still in the beta version. So it's not like a complete version, but it's still in testing phase, but it still offers quite a lot of good features. Now what this website basically offers is that it basically gives you the top and one of the best moments that have ever come out of the NBA from different eras and also from some of the top players in the world of all time. So this is basically a dream collaboration of someone who loves the NBA and is quite a enthusiastic person when it comes to NFTs. So this is a win-win situation for that person. So as you can see over here, this website offers packs, so we can purchase and rip some packs. We can build an epic collection, and then we can win some exclusive wars with only challenges. So let's just go over to their marketplace and check it out. So if we cover over onto the marketplace, we can find a moment, we can see all the listing, we can find some latest sales, we can find NBA team moments from all the different teams. So we have Lakers, we have the Suns, and we have many more. And we can also have the women's NBA team as well. So we can have best of both worlds as a matter of fact. So let's just check out this one over here. Let's just check out the marketplace for this NBA team. So over here, as you can see, we can have the Kobe White. So this moment is going over for $4 with an average sale of over $5, and there are over 1,555 listings. And they also have some serial numbers as well. So as you can see, this is a very common pack, but it is still limited edition. So you have to look out for that because the count is final. Basically, what it means is that these numbers are going to be it. It's not going to change. Over here at the top, we have some listing dates. So we can go over to the listing dates newest. We have listing date oldest, serial numbers, lowest asks, ascending and descending as well. So we can see we have different packs over here. Now this moment from Laurie Markkanen, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right. Laurie McKinnon, I think that's the name. And this person is a legendary pack with total 99, and that's final. The count is final. There are number 99s, and there are only 20 listings. And the lowest price it's going for is $945, and with the average sale of $802. So we can see that people are very enthusiastic about it. If someone loves a certain pack or a certain moment, so we can see people can make a lot of money from these moments or from these packs as well. So these were some of the packs from Chicago Bulls. Let's just go ahead and check out another one. Let's just check out the Lakers, the Los Angeles Lakers. And over here, as you can see, this is the LeBron James pack, and this is a legendary edition pack, which means the count is final, and there are about 735 listings. So if I click over here, so the average, so this is the lowest price that has been asked, so it's $146, and the average price is around $156, and the top sale goes for $14.99. So and down below we have some collectible details. So as you can see, this is the edition size. So there's basically 1200 moments, basically the 1200 packs. The total quantity of this moment is 1200, and as you can see, this is the owned by collectors. So as you can see, quite a lot has been owned, and this is the hidden in pack. So this is the hidden ones, and these are available for purchase, and these are buried. So as you can see, it's totally sold out. You can't buy more of these, but if you want to sell them, you can sell them for different prices. So I think that's why they're pretty high as of right now. And then down below we can see we have Mark Gasol, Dennis Schroeder, and we have Anthony Davis, we have LeBron James, another pack, and this one is a common number, 35,000. This is also a legendary edition, but it's only for $44. So let's just go back so we can see we have some different packs. So this was for the sales pack. Now let's go with the top sales as of right now. If we go over to top sale, as you can see, this is the LeBron James pack. It's the legendary edition, number 23 by 79. This is the 2020 NBA Finals. There's a Series 1, and this is the buyer and this is the seller. So date and time is also over here. And as you can see over here, this person sold this for about $230,000, which I think is pretty crazy. And this person at easy access, I think this person bought it for this much, and this person sold this pack for at around 210. And we can see a lot of packs are going over for quite a lot of money. So basically LeBron James is killing it in the NFT game as well as the NBA and in the NFT as well. So no one's got nothing on LeBron James. So then we have Fred Van Vliet. I don't know if I pronounced that name right. I think I butchered it, but I'm sure you guys forgive me. And this is the base set number 2. You can also see the base set as well. Now another thing, that if the base set matches the jersey number, then that pack is goated. That pack will sell for a quite a lot of money. It is going to be a very very rare pack. It can make you hundreds and thousands of dollars, trust me on this one. So but you have to find one as well. So as you can see, these are all some of the legendary ones because this is one of the top sales. So if we go over to the latest sales, as you can see, we have some different sales as of right now. This is the latest one. So people are, as you can see, people are buying for $29, $30. This one went for $550. As you can see, it's LeBron James pack, so of course it's gonna go for a lot of money. And we can see we have some other packs as well going over for 50, 665, 46, $70, as you can see. So we can see people are really really active. So now let's go ahead and check out some of the packs. Now if we click on packs, basically this is the starter pack base set. Over here you will have common packs, so which contains 3 moments, and the price is $9 and releases at 46. And then we have the booster pack. It contains 3 moments as well, but price is 9 and release 44. So basically I think you get these packs for different prices. As you can see over here, this pack was sold out, this one is expired, this one was the women's NBA, this one is the base set, and this one is also the base set. So and these are common packs as well, so you can actually get these common packs as well. And also, as I said before, there is a challenge edition over here as well. Basically if we click on over here, let's see what this, so basically the system, basically the website is also going under a schedule maintenance. I don't know if it was before there, but it's there now. So I guess that's that. Now you can go ahead and sign up onto their website, and to sign up you also need to have the Dapper, which is basically a cryptocurrency wallet. So let's just go ahead and sign up with Google and see what all the fuss is about. So I've set up my account over here. As you can see, I've signed up, and let's get started. So step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So we have to select some of our favorite teams. So we can have, so let's just, I'm gonna go ahead and select Chicago Bulls, the Celtics, and where's the Lakers? Los Angeles Lakers. Oh, I guess we can only select one. Okay, so I'm gonna select the Lakers and select favorite Laker. And then down below we can see this is the pack that is available to us for as of right now. So get the started pack, and once we do that, it's available for $9. So basically we can join the drop and we are eligible and stuff like that. So basically less than 2 packs are required, but we're eligible. But I'm not going to go ahead and buy it. I'm just showing you how you basically do this. So all you have to do is just sign up using your Google account and then just simply buy some packs. I think that's it for this video, guys. Basically I gave you a brief overview of how this website works and what it basically offers. So I think you are smart enough to make your own decisions. Now if you love the NBA and you are also fascinated by NFTs, then I think this website is perfect for you. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply come over here and get started and buy some NBA packs if you want, or you can just simply check this out on your own, and if you feel like it, you can go ahead and do it as well. Oh, and also as you can see, we have some other tweets over here and some certified ballers, as the website says over here. So we have Diplo, we have Quavo, we have Lisa Leslie, Crystal Dan, Isaiah, Robbie, and we have all these different celebrities that follow NBA Top Shot NFTs. I think this is a pretty amazing website for NBA lovers and NFT lovers as well. If you guys found this video entertaining or informative, you can please let me know by hitting the like button and also commenting down in the comment sections below. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.